In this video, we're going to learn how you can basically retarget animation in Unreal Engine 5 with Animation Starter Pack. I know lots of you will like this pack because it have some OP level animation and free, that's why. So now let's learn that how you can basically retarget with our Unreal Engine 5 character. So for do that, what you need to do, just rename your skeleton mesh, because by renaming it you can basically easily retarget it. Okay, so first thing, right mouse, then go to animation, then go to IK rig, and here you can see I'm just select like SK Manicures at base, so I can easily find out that this is my base character. I want to retarget all of my animation for this character, so I'm just give a name that IK rig, then double click and open. Then at here you need to basically go to IK Retargeter and add a chain. Now at here, that is basically very simple. Let me show you. First thing, you can write that head, so make sure that you can write in a small letter. I guess it will be more easy for you. Okay, so HEAD head, and the start bone is from your neck. Okay, so just simply search NI, and you can search N for finding the neck 0, and the end is on your head, so just select your head. Then add a chain, 2 more chain, and that is for arm L and arm R. Okay, just do like this, ARM, arm R, and this one is for ARM L. Okay, arm L and arm R. Okay, now the start position for this one, so you find that okay, the upper, the calves L, and the end at her hand L, and the same for this one, calve R, and it will be end on her hand R. Then we'll be do the same process for leg, the leg L and leg R. And for this we'll be search from thigh, so from the thigh, and then we can search that foot. You can also search the foot ball, also the ball, that will be give you more accurate position, but for my case it's okay for me that thigh R to foot R. Okay, that's great. Like they do the same thing as you can see on head, just write head. Okay, I'm not sure that why it's writing HAD head, blah blah blah. Okay, however, as you can see, that is totally great enough at here. Okay, like you can see it's totally great. Now we need to do the same process in our animation pack. Like go to your animation starter pack, and at here go to manicures mesh, and here we need to select this one, so right mouse, animation, and go to IK rig, and then at here just select the your. Okay, then give it that a new animation. Okay, I'm just calling it new animation. Now we need to do the same process, just write head. Okay, make sure that all the bones is name is same, head. Then second one is basically the arm L. Oh, that is arm L, and then second one, the third one is ARM R, then the leg L, and then we need to one more last, and that is basically leg R, and we need one more, that is forget to write, that is spin. A spin line for the root, so we need to add the same here, one more stock, that is spin line. Okay, so for do that you need to just select your spin line 0 to 1. Okay, that's all, nothing more. And at here now we need to just select, or we need to just select neck and to head, then L to hand L, R to hand R, leg for thigh L, L to foot R, foot L, and thigh R, that is thigh R, thigh R to foot R, foot R, and then we need to add spin 0 to spin 1. Okay, all the bones' name is set. Now you need to just select your clips and right mouse and press that set target as a root. Then go to IK rig and do the same process, that clips and set it to IK as root. Okay, save, done. Once you save that, now you need the last thing, that you need the IK retargeter. So just click on animation, then here's the retargeter IK. Just add that and add here for which one you need to retarget. So I'm just giving it name that IK rig. Okay, just double click and open. So with that, I want to retarget my new animation, all of them. So just go to I need to retarget my from that animation. So I'm just doing some wrong, that I need to select the animator first, like the animation one, and then I want to retarget with my new animation. And go to asset browser, and here, as you can see, now all the bones will be work same without any issue. As you can see, all the bones and everything working pretty much great without any issue. Okay, so I guess you understand. Some of cases, as you can see, it's have some issue. Okay, currently as you can see, but most of animation are pretty much working great. And yeah, this animation, the animation starter pack have some lost bone. Okay, it's have some missing bones, so that's why some of cases there's an issue come, but I just show you that. In next video I will show you that how you can retarget that. The same thing for the mix sum character. Okay, so just wait for that, and thank you so much for watching guys. Love you all. Bye, see you in next video.